Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and quick review of Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. Okay, so now quickly open it. Okay, and if we open it, here in top we get this small box. Now quickly check what we get inside it. Okay, so here we get the SIM ejector tool. This is the SIM ejector tool. Okay, keep this aside. And okay, so we get the transparent TPU case. Here you can see transparent TPU case and some reading manuals. Keep this aside. Okay, so here's the phone itself. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So here we get the charger, black charger. Okay, and if we talk about its output, okay, it will give you 9 watt 1.6 ampere, so it is a fast charger, which is a really good thing. And this is okay, this is normal earphones, and this is a USB Type-C cable. Okay, keep all this thing aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Let's remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone itself. Okay guys, I would like to say the phone looks great. Here you can see the vibrate design, it looks great. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the primary microphone over here, and on this side we get the volume up and down and power on off button, and in the bottom we get the main speaker, secondary microphone, USB Type-C port, and 3.5 mm headphone jack, and here we get the SIM tray. Now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so this is really good thing. It supports dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot up to 512 GB. And if we talk about the back, here we get the quad rear camera. You can see here we get the quad rear camera, 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel, and flash over here. And in front we get the 32 megapixel camera in O display, and also in display fingerprint scanner over here. Okay, so now quickly boot up the device and set it up. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has Samsung Exynos 9611 10nm octa-core processor. It comes with 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display. It has, if we talk about the internal storage, it comes with 128 6GB internal storage. It has dual nano SIM card with dedicated micro SD card slot support. It has quad rear camera, 48 megapixel f2.0 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel with depth sense. It has 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. It comes with 4000 mAh battery with support 15 watt fast charging. If we talk about the software, it has Android 10, which is running on One UI 2. And if we talk about the security, it has in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock for better security. Okay, so I have set up the device, and here you can see phone is starting. So you can see the UI of Samsung Galaxy A51. It is Super AMOLED display. Display is very vibrant. Here you can see, and if we slide here, we get the Bixby home, and if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center, helpful quick settings, and quick panel layout in new is also available, and here we get the power off, restart, and emergency mode feature available. Okay, now quickly go to setting and see how many storage we get out of 128 GB. So here you can see 106 GB available out of 128 GB, and system uses 21.6 GB. Okay, now quickly go to about phone and see its software information. So you can see it is running on One UI version 2.0 and the Android version is 10. Okay, and if we talk about the Android security patch level, it is of 1 December 2019. Now go back. Okay, now quickly check its camera performance. It has quad rear camera, and you can see. And if we talk about the camera UI, if we tap here, we get filters. Here you can see many filters are available and you can download more from here, and beauty feature is also available. And here we get the ratio, photo ratio is also available, and here we get the timer options. Tap here to change timer settings. The flash, same for this, tap and change flash settings. And if we tap here, we get settings, camera settings. You can see scene optimizer, shoot suggestions, scan QR code. And if we talk about the rear video size, okay, so guys, this is a really good thing. It records up to ultra HD. It records 4K video. And if we talk about the front video size, okay, so it is really good thing. Both camera supports 4K video recording. Front and rear camera supports 4K video recording, which is really good thing. And high efficiency video mode is also available. Watermark and shooting methods. Okay, and if we slide here, we get a live focus. And if we slide here, we get video, and in more we get pro, panorama, macro, food, night, super slow-mo, slow motion and hyperlapse. And here we get Bixby vision and AR emoji also. Okay, so now quickly take a photo and check its camera performance. Okay. Okay guys, I would like to say camera quality is really good. The camera quality is really good. Here you can see, if we zoom in, we didn't lose the quality of the photo. Here you can see the camera quality is really good. Here you can see. And if we talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color. You can see it captures natural color. Let's take another photo. It takes little bit time to focus. Okay guys, I would like to say the camera quality is really good. Here you can see no exposure. If we talk about the color rendering, it captures natural color, no exposure. Okay, and if we talk about the ultra wide camera, let's take another photo with ultra wide camera. Okay, I would like to say the ultra wide camera is also really very good. Here you can see. Camera quality is superb. Okay, and if we talk about the 4K video recording, let's check this out. Okay. The recording time is of 10 minutes. You can record 10 minutes 4K video. Recording time is of 10 minutes. You can record 10 minutes 4K video. Okay guys, I would like to say the 4K video recording is also really very good. The camera is superb. And if we talk about its fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's check this out. And if we talk about the in-display fingerprint performance, I put the finger Okay, keep your finger on the sensor a little longer. Okay, I push and it unlocks. Here you can see no animation pops out. Keep in mind you need to know where to put your finger. I put and it unlocks. Here you can see. Need a little bit improvement. Samsung will fix it, but the fingerprint performance is good. I would like to say the fingerprint performance is good. Try it in another way. Yeah, fingerprint performance is good, but no animation will pops out. You need to know where to put your finger. Okay, and if we talk about the face unlock performance, I see and it unlock. Okay, I'm not saying, I see and it unlock. Guys, I would like to say the fingerprint and face unlock performance is really good. Here you can see I see and it unlock. Try again. I see and it unlock. I'm not seeing, I see and it unlock. Okay guys, the face unlock performance is really very fast and it is really good. Here you can see it is really very fast and responsive. I see and it unlock. So guys, this is the unboxing and quick review of Samsung Galaxy A51 smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.